We are going to demonstrate B-scan ultrasonic flaw detection application on Da Vinci Delta ultrasonic flaw detector designed and manufactured by Modsonic India. So now we will see that there is an aluminum block with the holes and slots on the left side, and we are going to use a single crystal normal probe. And what you are seeing here, so it is a string encoder, so that has been tied with the probe. So when the probe moves, the string gets pulled out and the probe position can be known. Its data is entered inside the machine input. So now that we will see that, and this what you are seeing, it is the machine, and now we are pressing the key to enter, and so that you will see that as soon as the probe starts moving, so this D-scan image is being generated. So upper half what you are seeing, it is the B or some called D-scan image generated, and corresponding A-scan you can see in the bottom half. So after the whole scanning is done, as you are seeing here, so this is the full setup, and after the scanning is done, we will stop at the time that 1 meter to 5 meter of the scanning is possible. And now that what we are doing is that we are now stopping the scanning process, and we can see that the data is still in the machine, and post-scanning analysis is required to be done, so that is possible. And the cursor, as you can see that the cursor is moving, and there is a scroll knob here, which is very easy then to move across this whole image, and the corresponding A-scan that they can be seen. So then this data has to be transferred, uploaded onto the USB disk or the pen drive, which is plugged into here. Just show that. Yeah, this is the pen drive. So the data, it supports up to 8 GB of the USB disk, and that now that the transfer is taking place, so that you can see the message waiting. Okay, now that we are removing this pen drive from here, and we are okay, now that we are putting the pen drive where the data has been stored into the laptop. So now what you are seeing on the computer screen is the image which is generated here, and what you are seeing on the machine, this thing, and now that it is on the computer, and you can see the B-scan view of all the holes and the back wall, and through the cursor. Now when through the cursor when we move, so the value of X and Y, so they can be seen, so any distance. So as the data was encoded, so the probe position information is always available, and plus inside, if any length of the defect is to be measured, which is along the scanning direction, so that is also possible. Yeah, in a similar way we can also do the inspection using the angle probe, and any weld examination with the raster scanning is possible to perform. As you can see that the ring at the end of the string has been slipped onto the probe. It is attached to the probe, and then the raster scanning is performed. So it is possible then to generate the same data as we have earlier seen, that using a single crystal normal probe.